Learners, dear learners, I am M. Shafiq Al-Aziz, lecturer in English, Shushank Degree College. You are all welcome to our online class. I will discuss today about English grammar. You know, grammar is an integral part of a language, and at the same time, grammar occupies a great part in SSC syllabus. For this reason, grammar is very important. Today, out of grammar items, I will discuss about kinds of sentences. You know, sentences are classified in two ways. Number one, according to meaning, and at the same time, sentences are also classified according to structure. I will discuss the item, that is kinds of sentences according to structure. Now, learners, look at the blackboard. The item is kinds of sentences, and it is according to structure. According to structure, sentences are of three kinds: simple sentences, complex sentences, compound sentences. Three kinds of sentences are there. I will clarify how a sentence can be simple or complex or compound. Here, at the same time, here comes the question of clauses. The sentence which contains only one clause is called simple sentence, and complex and compound sentences contain more than one clauses. At this stage, we have to discuss about what clauses are. So, learners, I will show you now what are clauses. I said clauses because which sentences are simple or complex or compound depends on the characteristics of and use of clauses. Now you have to know what is clause. Definition. Clauses are the words which contain at least a subject and a finite verb. Finite verb means verbs according to tense, number and person. Clauses are of three kinds. According to function: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. These clauses are used in complex sentences, and in simple sentences there is no use of more than one clauses. In the compound sentences, there are more than one clauses, and those clauses are coordinate clauses. When a sentence contains coordinate clauses, then it is called compound sentences. With some examples, I will clarify you simple and compound, complex and compound sentences. Viewers, now you will see examples of simple, compound, complex and compound sentences. Look at the whiteboard. Simple sentence. Here is an example. In spite of illness, he works day and night. Now I will show you another example of complex sentences. Example of complex. Although he is ill, he works day and night. Now let us come to compound sentence. He is ill, but he works day and night. From these three examples, I will make you clear how it is a simple sentence, how it is a complex sentence, how it is a compound sentence. In the first sentence, you see that there is only one subject and one finite verb. Now, this sentence contains only one subject and only one finite verb. So, it contains only one clause. For this reason, it is a simple sentence. Now, let us come to the second sentence. Although he is ill, he works day and night. Keeping the meaning same, the structure has been changed. You see here, there are two subjects. And two finite verbs as well. That is, this sentence contains two clauses, and the clauses are added with a conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and for this reason, this sentence is a complex sentence. Let us come to the third one. Compound. He is ill, but he works day and night. Here there are also two subjects and two finite verbs, but that is two clauses, and they are added with a coordinating conjunction. For this reason, this is a compound sentence. You see, all these three sentences have equal meaning, but the structures are different. And for this reason, for these differences, the first sentence is in simple form, second sentence is in complex form, and the third one is in compound form.